Hi everyone, welcome back to Du's Organic DIY. Today, I will be showing you how to make high quality Vaseline right from your kitchen. Perfect for personal use or to start your own small business. This is a simple, cost-effective recipe with smooth texture and skin-friendly ingredients. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients we'll be using. Petroleum jelly, our base. Paraffin oil to give a soft, spreadable texture. Paraffin wax for structure and firmness. In a clean stainless steel cup or bowl, I'm adding 500 grams of petroleum jelly. Next, I'm adding 12.5 grams of paraffin wax. This wax helps firm up the final product so it is not too soft, especially in hot weather. Now, I will gently melt these two together using the double boiler method. Never direct heat to avoid breaking down the ingredients. Once the petroleum jelly and wax are completely melted, take the mixture off the heat. Now, I'm adding 133.5 grams of paraffin oil. This makes the Vaseline smoother and easier to spread, giving that silky feel on the skin. Then, I'm adding 21 grams of coconut oil, rich in fatty acid and natural moisture. It boosts the healing properties of your Vaseline. Now, add 5 ml of your preferred fragrance. Give it a good stir to fully combine everything. For easier pouring, I'm transferring the mixture into this my beaker-like lemon squeezer cup with a pointed nose. Makes dispensing into containers so much easier. Here are my Vaseline container, two different sizes. Now I will grab my digital scale to ensure precise filling. Into the large container, I'm pouring 29 grams. Into the small ones, I'm adding 90 grams. Always allow your Vaseline to cool down completely before sealing with the lid. This prevents condensation and keep your product fresh. And there you have it, homemade Vaseline, smooth, professional, and ready for sale. Perfect for dry skin, chapped lips, or as a base for skin products. If you are thinking of starting a small business, this is a great product to begin with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you find this helpful. Drop your question or request in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.